Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert and a business enthusiast for the last 20 years around. And I'm here helping 3 kinds of people. Number 1, people who do have an expertise, want to make a business out of that. Number 2, people who are doing something in their offline mode of business, they want to take it to an online platform. Number 3, people who are doing pretty well either in offline and online mode, but they're not able to upscale and grow. So I, Alok, as a business coach, is going to give you a specific strategy for your business so that you upskill and grow in multiple level of ROIs and do wonders. So business owners, entrepreneurs, I do talk about business and the fundamentals of sales, services, products, team, and so many things I'm talking about. Today I'm going to talk about a basic fundamental of sales happening. So whenever you speak to your customers, because sales is one of the key areas which fetches direct revenue for the company, right? So how do you do a sale? Three fundamental topics or elements which if you keep in mind, you are going to do a fantastic sale because you are going to win the customer. So today these 3 points I'm going to talk about is very, very crucial and very easy. Perhaps if you start practicing it, you will make it even better. So these 3 points, number 1 starts with listening to the customers. So customer is coming with your pain. Maybe his father, his mother, his spouse, children, boss, subordinate may not be listening to him or his pains. When somebody is coming to you, start listening to them. Ask questions so that he or she comes up with all the pains which they have in their minds and thoughts. So once you start listening, you have the chance of winning the customer more and more. And you know what? The person who listens more earns more. That is but that actually fits here in the sales profile. So you should start listening with not only just you have to give your ears, you have to give your mind and heart as well. You have to be very urgently vigilant when you are listening to somebody. Right now, number 2 is you have to be garnering empathy. So when I say empathy, it's not sympathy. Don't be sorry about something which has gone wrong with his family or life. You have to be empathetic, right? You say, okay sir, I understand that this is your concern and we are there to help you. We understand your concern and we have an expertise to solve this kind of a problem, right? So when you be empathetic, the person will connect to you more because that connection is very much required for you to win the customer. And number 3, which is also very critical, is the confidence, the conviction. If you say that I've been doing this for so many people and I have proven it, I have done it for people like you, that confidence if you show to the customer is most likely going to buy your product and service. So if you keep in mind all these 3 topics, listening, garnering empathy, and with conviction and confidence, you are going to win the customers. And that is why sales is supposed to be very dynamic, because people don't do all these things. People start talking about their products, their benefits, their features, which customer is not at all interested to listen, right? Customer has come with you a pain. You need to understand, listen to the pain. Take an example of a doctor, right? You go to the doctor and doctor starts explaining about the features and benefit of taking injection, or maybe the biology inside when you are suffering with a viral fever or some diseases. So are you going to listen that? No. So similarly here you are the doctor and somebody who has come, he has some pain. You have to understand, feel that pain and give him a solution, right? So if you start doing that, you are going to bang on the sales. Thank you so much.